Hello guys, this is the next question in the series of previous year questions, microeconomics, theory of consumer behavior. In this question, they are asking if the railways are making loss on passenger traffic, they should lower their fares. And the suggested remedy would work only if the demand for rail travel has a price elasticity of. Now, if railway reduces fare, then what will happen? Actually, they want to increase their passenger traffic, and that will be increased only if this passenger traffic is sensitive, if it is sensitive or responding, you can say, towards fall in price. In other words, demand should be elastic in order to increase passenger traffic with a decrease in railway fare. If they want to increase it, then demand must be elastic. Then only with the decrease in price will give more passenger traffic to railways. And here are the options. That the first option is, they are saying demand is elastic, but in these options there no one correct. All the options are incorrect, they all are wrong basically. So this question was wrong, asked by UGC in 2013. And what is this total expenditure method, on the basis of which we are saying that demand must be elastic? See, this method says that if there is a direct relationship between price and total expenditure, like if price increases, total expenditure also increases, or price decreases, total expenditure also decreases, we say demand is inelastic. But if there is an inverse relationship between price and total expenditure, like with the increase in price, total expenditure decreases, or with the decrease in price, total expenditure increases, then we say demand is elastic. And if there is no change in total expenditure with any change in price, then we say demand is unitary elastic, or equal to 1. So this relationship is used here, that the price is decreased, lower the fares, and railways wants to increase passenger traffic, then the demand must be elastic. And for more explanation, please subscribe my channel, and I'll make more videos on this topic, total expenditure. I'll explain in detail all these topics. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.